Hi guys, today we're gonna try doing the mileage correction for Skoda Octavia 2015. So switch on the ignition. So as you can see, it's 155,495 at the moment. So it's logged in the system, and we'll do some backup. So hopefully we'll be able to do it. Well, there you go. As you can see, I've increased the mileage just for testing purposes. Thank you very much. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.